Hey everyone, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. Working on the 57-210 today, and back at her. I got this brace that goes down around the rocker panel pieced in. You'd see my earlier videos where I cut that out. Actually had to do a lot of massaging to get it in here, but also, so she's welded in, and then I got this piece to go repair the hinge area on the bottom of the A-pillar. Working on that. Still a little bit of massaging to do. Come out there so you can see it a little bit better. But this piece goes right in here and butts up against that, and then that'll weld to the rocker panel when it's done. So as you can see, I make pie cuts. So the pie cuts help you bend it and form it. But anyways, gonna get at this and try to get her a little farther along. Take it easy.